Hey guys, I'm sitting here at the back porch again, grilling up some chicken. We still got burgers left from last week, some burgers and hot dogs and a couple sausages actually left from last week still, but felt like having some chicken tonight with coleslaw, so I'm grilling some chicken on the barbecue. I got it marinated in Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I was just flying with the drone and captured just a little bit of a thunderstorm rolling by, close by. It didn't actually come right over top of us, but it was close. But got a little bit of it, got a little bit of a time lapse on it. But anyway, I was wanting to go flying today, but never did make it. It was just too blaming hot earlier. I went outside at 8 o'clock this morning and it was already 86 degrees, so there's a little bit of thunder still going on around here, close by. So I didn't end up going. It got up right about 91 today and it was very humid. They had a heat advisory out. So we took a drive up to a town called Charlottesville. We're going to go to the firehouse there was going to be making chicken. That's what we were thinking, chicken. And we got there, it said 11:30 to 2, and we got there at noon and all the chicken was sold already. So I guess everybody else had the same kind of idea. Anyway, that's why I went down to the local supermarket and got some thin cut chicken breast, and I got them on the grill now. We'll be eating here shortly. Alright, so pretty much the rain has passed us by here. And I'm going to put the drone back up here after we have dinner. I charged all 3 batteries, so I need to use them because it's not good to leave them fully charged, not the LiPo batteries. So yeah, I think these are done. Pretty thin chicken, so don't take too much. I'll leave this one on a little bit longer. That one's thick. Hot stuff. Perfect. Perfection. All right, last piece is done. Let's get this in the house and have some dinner. everyone. It is a Monday, July 20th, 2020. Just coming back from doing an errand. Took my camper trailer down to the dealer. They're going to service it, de-winterize it. So I guess we're going to try to use it for a couple days in August, so I'm going to get it ready. Yeah, we have no load, our normal load for Tuesday delivery that we normally leave today, Monday. So we won't be leaving till tomorrow. And I don't know, I'm not sure. I might go flying this afternoon. I'm going to watch the weather a little bit here. Make sure it's not going to start raining or something. It's supposed to kind of clear out by afternoon and be 0% chance of rain. Right now there's still a chance of showers, so I'm going to go back home, do some more stuff around the house, and maybe go flying later. Don't know yet. Well guys, we got back from doing our chores this morning and decided not to go flying again today. It's just too blooming hot. It's not too bad now. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it seems like the humidity's starting to go away. We got a pretty good breeze going on right now, but outside here taking Bailey out. Just thinking about maybe still going. I don't know. It's getting late in the day now. Probably just hang out here and relax. Maybe I'll do some more drone flights this evening when the sun is getting low and get some good sunset or something like that. Anyway, not doing too much else today. Been editing some videos this afternoon and get those out to you. And that's about it. Just kind of hanging around the ranch right now.